In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete rows with shortcuts in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet so you can work directly inside the sheet where you want to remove rows. Once your file is open, look to the far left side of the worksheet. This is where you will see the row numbers listed in order. These numbers are important because selecting the row number highlights the entire row, which makes deletion much faster and more accurate. Move your cursor over to those row numbers on the left edge of the screen. Click the first row number that you want to delete. As soon as you do that, Excel will highlight the full row for you. This lets you confirm that you are targeting the correct row before removing anything. If you need to delete more than one row and the rows are not next to each other, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping Control pressed, click the other row numbers you want to remove. Each row you click will stay highlighted, allowing you to build a custom selection of multiple rows. This is a very useful shortcut because it saves time and helps you avoid deleting rows one at a time. Take a moment to make sure all of the correct rows are selected. It is always a good idea to double-check before deleting, especially if your spreadsheet contains important data. When you are satisfied with your selection, release the Control key. Next, right-click on any one of the highlighted row numbers. This will open a context menu with several options related to the selected rows. From that menu, click Delete. Excel will immediately remove all of the highlighted rows from the worksheet. One thing to keep in mind is that deleting rows will shift the remaining rows upward. That means the data below the deleted rows will move up automatically to fill the space. If you are working in a large spreadsheet, this is helpful to remember so you can keep track of where your information ends up after the deletion. This method is simple, quick, and especially helpful when you need to remove multiple non-adjacent rows without manually deleting each one. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes a very efficient part of your Excel workflow. That covers everything you need to know.